Well, the ILM Level 3, I've got to admit something, this is one of my favourite courses to deliver. It covers a number of areas. It looks at leadership, what is your responsibility as a leader. It looks at teamwork, what is happening to your team, how does it operate, what do you need to do to make that team work effectively. It looks at how do you communicate with your team, what are your options, what are your alternatives. And that sometimes is a really important element of their responsibilities. They need to be able to vary and use it competently. It's department heads, this programme, section heads, second rung managers, and it's about people who have got line management responsibility. In other words, they've got responsibility for people, and they may have responsibility as well for processes and procedures that they need to lead. So the main benefits of this course are that it's a comprehensive programme. It equips them across a broad range of areas. It just doesn't focus on one or two areas. They can go back and then they can apply a group of competencies, skills and knowledge across a fair old field. It empowers them to take much more responsibility. It empowers them to be proactive now in terms of their management, and it probably nudges them to do things that they haven't been doing before. And because of all that, you often get people going back into the workplace and they start to make real changes in terms of productivity and results. This course is like a lot of EEF courses. It's pragmatic, it's based on real experiences. We draw from best practice. But in terms of what does this particular, it's based on real life issues. It's based on the challenges that these people will actually be facing. They're not sat down from 9 to 5 on this course. They're up, they're about, they're participating in exercises, they're discussing, they're reviewing. And one of the real benefits, I think, of this programme is that they learn vicariously from other managers. They find out what other businesses do as well as what their own businesses do, and integrate those experiences together. And that can be a massive learning experience, as well as what they get from input on the course. And it's also delivered by people like myself who are in companies every other day, so I see what other businesses are doing, and I'll pick out from those businesses what is being particularly effective and constructive in terms of results and empowerment.